Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 6C from chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. So, starting with question number 1. Now over here, we'll be using cross multiplication method. So, first step for this method is make sure the equations are in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so first one is not in the required form, so let us shift the term in LHS. First x wala term, then y wala term, and then constant term equal to 0. This is already arranged in that form. First x term, then y, and then constant equal to 0. Okay, second step, we'll write down the values of a, b and c. So for first equation a1 b1 c1, and for second equation a2 b2 c2. So a1 is 4, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 17. Don't forget to put the sign. Okay, a2 is 3, b2 is minus 4, c2 is 6. Okay, now make sure you write it in this form only. Okay, a1 b1 c1, and right below that a2 b2 c2. Third step, we will use the formula. So x upon something is equal to y upon something is equal to 1 upon something. Now x के साथ a वाला कोएफिशिएंट होता है, so you will not consider a, b and c, bc, and reverse it, so it will become cb. Now y में b होता है कोएफिशिएंट, so forget b. Next comes c and then a, so ca minus ac. Okay, reverse कर दिया. Now constant, so constant a and b minus ba. Now put 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so easy way to remember. Now just substitute the values. So x upon b1 is 3, c2 is 6, minus c1 is minus 17. So put brackets. b2 is minus 4, c1 is minus 17, a2 is 3, minus a1 is 4 and c2 is 6 is equal to 1 upon a1 is 4, b2 is minus 4, minus b1 is 3, a2 is 3. So x upon 6 3s are 18, minus minus plus and again minus है. Okay, so plus into minus gives minus. Okay, so basically odd number of negative signs है, odd number of negative signs होगा तो negative. Okay, and even number है तो positive. So 17 4s are, so that will give 68. Okay, is equal to y upon 17 3s are, so that is 51. Minus हो जाएगा, minus into plus, and here minus 6 4s are 24 is equal to 1 upon 4 4s are 16, minus हो जाएगा, plus into minus, and here also 3 3s are 9. So here we are getting 18 minus 68, that is minus 50. Do 68 minus 18 and then put negative sign. Okay, 68 minus 18 will give 50 and negative sign because greater number is negative is equal to y upon, both are negative, so you are going to add and then put negative sign. So 1 plus 4 5 and 5 plus 2 7, minus 75, and minus 16 minus 9, again you will add but negative sign. 16 plus 9 gives 25. So we'll equate x with the constant term and then y with the constant term. So x upon minus 50 is equal to 1 upon minus 25. So shifting 50 over here, minus 50 upon minus 25, don't cancel it out. Minus into minus gives positive. Okay, so don't cancel it out, mathematically wrong hota hai. 25 2s are, so we get plus 2, and here y upon minus 75 is equal to 1 upon minus 25. Shifting 75 over here, so 25 threes are, so minus into minus will give plus, so y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the answer. Coming to question number 2. Now first step, we have to make sure the equations are in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we'll shift the terms over here. Okay, so x wala term, then y wala term, and then constant equal to 0. Same thing over here, x wala term, y wala term, and then constant equal to 0. Okay, second step, we'll write down the values of a, b and c. So a1 is 3, b1 is 4, and c1 is minus 11. Okay, a2, b2, c2. a2 is 2, b2 is 3, and c2 is minus 8. Okay, now third step, we'll use the formula. X upon something is equal to y upon something is equal to 1 upon something. X में a आता है तो forget a, b c minus c b, so 1 2 1 2. Now y में b आता है तो c a 1 2 and a c 1 2. Now यहाँ पे constant है, so constant c you will forget, and 1 and that is a and b. Okay, so a b minus b a 1 2 1 2. Now substitute the values. b1 is 4, c2 is minus 8, minus c1 is minus 11, and b2 is 3 is equal to y upon c1 is minus 11 and a2 is 2 minus a1 is 3 and c2 is minus 8. a1 is 3, b2 is 3, and b1 is 4, a2 is 2. So 8 4s are 32, plus into minus gives minus, minus into minus यहाँ पे plus हो जाएगा, 3 11s are 33, 11 2s are 22, minus into plus gives minus, 8 3s are 24 and minus into minus gives plus, 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8. So we'll get x upon 33 minus 32 gives 1, 24 minus 22 2, and 9 minus 8 1. Now we'll equate x with constant and then y with constant and find their values. So x upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 1, that is x is equal to 1. Okay, and y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 1, so that is y is equal to 2 upon 1, that is 2. So we found the values of x and y. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Just write down the final answer. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Coming to question number 3. Now over here, first step, we'll make sure the equations are in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first one is in the required form. Second one, we have to shift 13. So 5x plus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. So first x wala term, then y wala term, and then constant term equal to 0. Now second step, we'll write down the values of a, b and c. a1 is 6, b1 is 7, c1 is minus 11. Now a2, b2 and c2. a2 is 5, b2 is 2 and c2 is minus 13. Okay, third step, formula. X upon something is equal to y upon something is equal to 1 upon something. x में a आता है तो forget a, b and c and switch c b हो जाएगा. Now y में b आता है, c and a, then switch a c and constant में c आता है, so a b minus b a. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, now substitute the values. b1 is 7, c2 is minus 13, minus c1 is minus 11, so put brackets. b2 is 2, c1 is minus 11, a2 is 5, a1 is 6 and c2 is minus 13. a1 is 6, b2 is 2, minus b1 is 7 and a2 is 5. So 7 into 13, so that will give 91. Minus हो जाएगा, plus into minus. Your minus into minus gives plus. 11 2s are 22. Here 55 but negative, minus into plus gives minus, and here minus into minus gives plus. 6 into 13, so that will give 78. 1 upon 6 2s are 12, minus 7 5s are 35. So x upon minus 91 plus 22, so do 91 minus 22. So 11 minus 2 9, 8 minus 2 6. Greater number is negative, so negative sign. Minus 55 plus 78, so 78 minus 55 हो जाएगा, that will give 23 is equal to 1 upon 12 minus 35, so do 35 minus 12. Okay, and then change the sign because greater number is negative, so we'll get 23. Now fourth step, what you will do, solve कर लिया, now equate. So x equal to constant term, y equal to constant term. So x upon minus 69 is equal to 1 upon minus 23 and y upon 23 is equal to 1 upon minus 23. So x is equal to minus 69 upon minus 23, y is equal to 23 upon minus 23. So here we'll get 23 3s are minus into minus plus, so x is 3 and y is minus 1 because this minus will go in numerator, so minus 1 हो जाएगा. Okay, so the answer is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Moving on to question number 4. Over here, first equation is in the required form, second one we have to bring it in the form. So x वाला term, then y वाला term and then constant term equal to 0. So we have shifted these terms in LHS. Okay, now both the equations are in the required form. So second step, we'll write down the values of a, b and c. So a1 is 5, b1 is 4, c1 is 14. Now a2, b2 and c2. a2 is 3, b2 is 4, c2 is 10. Okay, now third step, formula. So x upon something is equal to y upon something is equal to 1 upon something. x में a आता है, so forget a, b and c and then switch. y में b आता है तो c and a and then switch. And then constant term में c आता है, so a b 1 2 and then switch. Okay, now substitute the values. b1 is 4, c2 is 10, minus c1 is 14 and b2 is 4. C1 is 14 and A2 is 3. A1 is 5 and C2 is 10. A1 is 5 and B2 is 4. B1 is 4 and A2 is 3. So x upon 4 tens are 40 minus 14 fours are 56 is equal to y upon 14 threes are, that will give 42, minus 5 tens are 50 is equal to 1 upon 5 fours are 20 minus 4 threes are 12. So x upon 40 minus 56, do 56 minus 40, that will give 16 and negative. 42 minus 50, again do 50 minus 42, that will give 8 but negative. And 1 upon 20 minus 12, that will give 8. Now fourth step में solve कर लिया, we'll equate x with constant and then y with constant. So x upon minus 16 is equal to 1 upon 8 and y upon minus 8 is equal to 1 upon 8. So x is equal to minus 16 upon 8 and y is equal to minus 8 upon 8. So x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1. So box the final answer. Moving on to question number 5. Now the first equation is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Second one, we have to shift the term in LHS. So 7x plus 9y minus 130 equal to 0. Now it is in the required form. Second step, we'll write down the values of a, b and c. A1 is 1, B1 is minus 1 and C1 is 2. Now A2, B2 and C2. A2 is 7, B2 is 9 and C2 is minus 130. Now third step formula, x upon something is equal to y upon something is equal to 1 upon something. x में a आता है कोएफिशिएंट, सो फॉरगेट a, bc minus cb, switching the variables. y में b आता है, so c and then a, ca minus ac 1 2 1 2 and constant term c, so ab minus ba 1 2 1 2. Now substitute the values. B1 is minus 1, C2 is minus 130, C1 is 2 and B2 is 9. C1 is 2 and A2 is 7 minus A1 is 1 and C2 is minus 130. A1 is 1, B2 is 9 and B1 is minus 1 and A2 is 7. So x upon minus into minus gives plus, 130 into 1 gives 130, minus 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14, minus into minus gives plus, 1 into 130 gives 130 is equal to 1 upon 1 9s are 9, minus minus plus 1 7s are 7. Okay, so x upon 130 minus 18 हो जाएगा 112 is equal to y upon 14 plus 130 will become 144 is equal to 1 upon 9 plus 7 gives 16. Now fourth step में equate x with the constant and then y with the constant. So x upon 112 is equal to 1 upon 16 and y upon 144 is equal to 1 upon 16. So x is equal to 112 upon 16 and y is equal to 144 upon 16. So x is equal to 16, 7s are 112 and y is equal to 16, 9s are. So y is equal to 9. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. Now let's solve question number 6. Over here, both the equations we have to bring in the required form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first will be x wala term and then y wala term and then constant equal to 0. Over here y is written first and then x. So shift it, okay? First you will write x, then y and then constant equal to 0. Okay, so make sure you put correct signs. 4x was negative, so negative, plus 5y, and shifting 7 over here it will become minus 7. Okay, now it is in the required form. Second step, we'll write down the values of a, b and c. a1 is 4, b1 is minus 1 and c1 is minus 5. Now a2, b2 and c2. So a2 is minus 4, b2 is 5 and c2 is minus 7. Third step, formula. X upon something is equal to y upon something is equal to 1 upon something. X में a आता है, a is the coefficient, so forget a, b, c and then switch cb 1 2 1 2. y में b आता है, so next is c, ca and then switch ac. Now constant में c आता है, so ab and then switch ba 1 2 1 2. Okay, now substitute the values. b1 is minus 1, c2 is minus 7, minus c1 is minus 5, b2 is 5, c1 is minus 5, a2 is minus 4, minus a1 is 4, c2 is minus 7, a1 is 4, b2 is 5, minus b1 is minus 1 and a2 is minus 4. Minus into minus plus हो जाएगा, 1 into 7 gives 7. Minus into minus plus, 5 5s are 25. Minus into minus plus, 5 4s are 20. And minus into minus plus, 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are 20. Minus into minus plus into minus will give minus. 1 into 4 gives 4. So x upon 7 plus 25 gives 32 is equal to y upon 20 plus 28 48 is equal to 1 upon 20 minus 4 16. Now fourth step में we are going to equate x with constant and y with constant. So x upon 32 is equal to 1 upon 16 and y upon 48 is equal to 1 upon 16. So x is equal to 32 upon 16 and y is equal to 48 upon 16. 16 2s are, 16 4s are. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3s are. Okay, so we found the values of x and y. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3.